Good afternoon. My name is Azrael Buladilla, a blogger of Azrael's Melon Blog. So my question is for this passage, Sir Brian. For the month of July, August, and September, because it's rainy season, what are your recommended travel destinations, especially yung mga trending na destination for those months? Because we want to get ready for the travel madness and baka yung recommendation yung makatulong din.
Say for short haul, you can always travel Iloilo, Dumaguete, Bacolod. Please take note, friends. It might be raining in Manila, but it's not raining in other parts of the Philippines, right? So, more or less, let's say you plan to go to, let's say, Bohol. The typhoon or low pressure area is in Bohol. Then you can see that from the news itself. But as I said, weather now is so unpredictable that if I may share, I had a tour group to Japan before the pandemic. And we left for Japan first week of April just to see the cherry blossom, sakura. Of course, sad to say, it rained the week before we arrived. And they were blaming me. Parang, ha? Salamat ko umulan sa Tokyo. It was really, even I myself, let's say we're going on a trip, you look at the weather pro or all kinds of weather apps. It may happen that what the weather app will say does not happen. I've had so many trips in the past. I was carrying too much, not winter clothes or clothes to keep you warm, and it was just 22, which felt like 24. So I would always say, for me, as long as it's not a typhoon, it's okay to travel when it's raining. So, because I don't like the sun, so I'd like to swim when it's raining. So, make your plans. Anyway, the Weather Bureau now is very, very active even in the post on Viber, on Inquirer, and on ANC, that they come out with Typhoon A will be coming soon, wherever. But trust me, most of the time, let's say if the rain or the typhoon is here, the Weather Bureau will tell you it's as far as Iloilo, it's as far as Bacolod. So, don't make the rain stop you from enjoying a rainy trip. Thank you.
Azrael, did you get that right? So let's start with domestic. For domestic, I think to avoid the rain and typhoon, it would be best to go down south. So Davao was actually a very good, nice campaign of Adventure Davao starting September. So that's something that we can promote. And then if we go international, it's a similar, I guess, weather in Japan and Korea. So I would recommend going further south, Australia. So Australia now is winter season. So while we're here complaining about how hot it is, it's you can go to Australia and complain how cold it is, right? So
Experience.
yes, with puffer jackets and with coffee, right? So if it's also the best time to actually see the southern lights. So I know you guys have probably heard of the northern lights, up to Iceland, right, Alaska. But I guess a few of us know about the southern lights, which is Aurora Australis. So it can be best seen from Tasmania in Australia, which is very close to Melbourne. If you can go to New Zealand, Queenstown, that would even be better. Yeah, so Australia will definitely be a good place to go to. In fact, we're seeing an increase in traffic going to Australia, most likely also because of those people avoiding Europe. So they have started looking towards the south there. So that should be a good destination to promote and visit.
Thank you.